So I've been an AirPods Pro user for 2.5 years now, and I've mostly loved them. The sound's good, transparency mode was really good, the noise cancelling was good, the battery life was generally good. So when the AirPods Pro 2 came out, I was thinking about whether or not they warranted the upgrade from the Gen 1, and I didn't make that decision until Christmas. We actually bought the Gen 2 for my son for Christmas, and I tried them out and was absolutely astounded at the difference and the quality of certain features. So in this video I'm going to give you 3 of my top features why I think it's worth upgrading to the Gen 2 from the Gen 1 AirPods Pro. Number 1 is the better transparency and noise cancelling. It's hard to explain, and it's virtually impossible for me to test that and show you guys what the difference is, but there is a big difference. Now bear in mind, I'm coming from Gen 1. I've been using these for 2.5 years. I was very, very happy and impressed with the noise cancelling and transparency, but when you wear the Gen 2, you do notice a major difference, especially with the noise cancelling. They are easily twice as good than the Gen 1 versions. Extremely good noise cancelling, and the transparency mode as well is probably just a little bit better, but noise cancelling especially exceptional. So that is my first reason. If you're somebody that needs a noise cancelling, that likes using noise cancelling, that needs a transparency mode for safety reasons when we're riding your bike or you're out and about, it's very good to have that transparency mode. So if you're somebody that uses those modes very often, then this feature alone probably is worth the upgrade. Feature 2 is the volume control on the stalks. Now, this is something I don't know why they didn't bring to the Gen 1, but they've done it in this version. In the Gen 2, you can now control the volume up and down with just a simple swipe on either left or right earbud. You can, of course, change all the controls within the settings and customize them to how you like them, but having that volume control is really nice. Before you had to go to your iPhone, change the volume with the volume rocker, or go into the app or whatever you're using to change the volume, but now simple left, swipe up and down to change the volume up and down, and that is the second feature why I think these are worth the upgrade. Third feature is the new case. Now we've got some upgraded features. We've of course got the lanyard loop on the side, which is built in. We've actually bought a case from ESR for my son for his case, so he takes it to the gym and he throws them around and he doesn't really want to get them damaged. But if you check out that case, I'll link it in the description down below. A matte black case with a lanyard loop built in, actually comes in with a loop for a very good price, and if you want to go and check it out, I'll link my Amazon store down below because I've got a bunch of lists of tech and different recommendations that I've found over the weeks and months for the best tech that I use, and that case is probably one of the best AirPods case I've come across. So I'll link that down below. Go and check it out, give me a follow because I'm always updating that constantly with new tech, new accessories for all your devices, so go and check that down below. It's a really great case. But the new features include that lanyard loop. You've also got an improved speaker at the bottom for Find My, so you can track these through the Find My network now and accurately find them if you lose them in the house somewhere. You can play a beep as well through the app, the Find My app, and it sends off a notification via these. Quite loud actually, so you can actually find them easily, so that's another great feature. And of course you've got fully MagSafe compatible case now, so this actually magnetizes to the MagSafe charger. It doesn't only now just lie and wirelessly charge, it does actually snap magnetically to the MagSafe charger. So the new case features just upgrade these AirPods Pro Gen 2 even more. So those are my 3 reasons. You of course get all the other great features. You've got the H2 chip in there for the connectivity seamlessly, the auto switching between devices. If you're working on the MacBook, your iPhone or your iPad, it seamlessly transfers to which device you're using. You've got that spatial audio, which is something you really have to try and experience to understand. It's an amazing thing. It really does sound amazing when you're turning your head around, that dynamic spatial audio. You've also got 6 hours of playtime as well, 30 hours overall with the charge case, so the battery life is really exceptional, and the case is fast charging, so 5 minutes of charge time gives you a further hour of use or talk time on here. So overall I definitely think these are worth the upgrade. Now it's my job on this channel not to sell you these things, but just to give the information about my experience with them, how they work and what I feel about these bits of tech, and I really do think these are worth the upgrade. The noise cancelling and the transparency mode for me, along with the volume control and the new features of the case, really make this a great upgrade from the Gen 1. Now, that's it for this video. I hope it helped. Let me know about your experience with the AirPods Pro down below, or any of the Apple products. I'm interested to know what you'd like to see me review next. But that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Lots of good and new releases coming soon, so stay tuned. We'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.